I started as a junior reporter, and then I got promoted. I was made newscaster, and then nagkaroon ako ng show, Philippines Most Wanted.
Ako po si Rafi Tulfo. Samahan ninyo ako sa susunod na isang oras ng Philippines Most Wanted.
Na kung saan yung mga fugitive running from the law pinapaskil or sinasadula ko yung buhay ng victim, and then yung fugitive kung paano niya na-violate yung victim o pinatay in some cases, paano siya naging wanted, was really very successful because more than 50 na mga na-feature namin na nahuli because of my show. Naging senador ako because of my experience sa public service. At saan nag-umpisa yung public service ko? Sa PTB4. I had many good memories which equated to good experience and knowledge. And whatever I have now, I owe it from PTB4. I'm a proud product of PTB4. Ako po si Rafi Tulfo at ito ang aking kwentong PTV.